Hello America, I've got a good news for you all today. I recently visited Miami, Florida for an event there statehood. I welcomed a friend of mine from Spain and France. In the midst of casual events, my friend was asking about the best car rental in America. Before I get answers to questions from my two friends, one of my agents immediately whispered something to me. I was immediately transmit the information to them. They both are busy looking for information on the website. And they are very happy for information about renting a car they need during their stay in America. Do you know what websites I tell them? That is carhiretips.com. Yes. Carhiretips.com is the best place to find out any car rentals tips for your trips in the world.